Hi again, we are fixing an iPad with a charging port issue. We did test it and like we have to replace the port. So here is the port, and those Apple make them part of the motherboard, soldered on the motherboard. So we try to make it faster here. I'll use my heat gun. You see here, we just removed the old charging port. That's the old charging port. We're going to solder the new one. Let's just refresh the solder here. All my pads are perfect.
So I can do this if I wanted to put them on a hard drive, like an external drive. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
All of them, they look healthy and neat.
Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you very much.
Front door open.
All clean. Now let's put the new charging port. You don't align them, then won't work. That's good enough for me. If we see aligned, so you can feel each pad when you solder if they soldered it properly, because this is the only one you can test. It's clean now. Now let's check with the voltmeter. That's good. Let's look at the schematic. So I have this the other way around.
Front door open.
So those are the grounds.
How's it going? Good.
So if we go,
Have this adapter. I think this USB-C
ground, 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 ground. Perfect.
I think the adapter's gonna have it.
Then we have those 3 pins, not a ground. So many of them. So if we go, sorry, no ground, no ground, no ground. But if we here, perfect. So here, second one was
It might carry it current, but not full.
perfect. Then the other 4 are grounds. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, good, good. Then ground 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth one is not a ground. Here. So that guy. We, yeah, everything sounds good.
I mean, it was like here.
Yeah.
So
And the teeth are just worn down on the cable.
that's my final product.
Just from
Soldered.
Just from using. So basically, the way that the USB-Cs are done is like.
And now the iPad is ready for assemble and bang. This is how to fix iPad with the charging port problem. See you again. Thanks.